Hello beautiful, it's your girl Miss Red Fox, and if you know me, you know that one of my biggest insecurities is my teeth. And today I'm going to be sharing my secret to whiter teeth. Ding! I'm going to do this amazing tutorial for you guys, quick and easy, 2 products under $2, and guess what? It takes 5 minutes to do, from prepping it to finishing it. So anybody can fit this into their schedule. There's no excuses. You'll be able to reach your goal to getting whiter teeth easily. So thumbs up this video if you like this and that if you want whiter teeth. And do comment below and share your own personal teeth insecurities at the bottom, because I genuinely like to know, because I am a fellow individual that also shares the same kind of insecurities as you when it comes to my teeth. So let's get this quick tutorial started for you guys. Hold up. Slow down your horses. Are you telling me it really only takes 2 products and these 2 products are under $2? And on top of that, takes only 5 minutes to do? Yes, and it won't damage your teeth like the last product I reviewed in my previous video. I'll post a link for you guys at the bottom in case you missed it. 2 items. I'm telling you, why would I lie? Sorry, this is just one of those things where it sounds too good to be true. I know it sounds too good to be true. That's why I'm trying to break it down so I can bless you with this knowledge. Okay, smartass. Bless me with this knowledge so I can make sense of this. I'm ahead of you. That's what I was trying to do before you interrupted me. So if you don't mind, I want to get back to the tutorial for my friends over here, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So back to the tutorial, as I was saying. First thing, of course, you're going to need a clean spoon and a clean bowl. Now for the fun part, some chemistry. You're going to need some hydrogen peroxide, which you can get for very cheap at any store. I got this for 98 cents. And some old and true baking soda that's been around like forever. Now, hydrogen peroxide is a bleaching agent. This will most definitely whiten your teeth. And guess what? It's not dangerous if you swallow it by mistake, unlike the other product in my previous video, which will cause some damage to you. Whereas the baking soda is an abrasive material. So it does scrub away stains on your teeth, helping your teeth to appear whiter. Another benefit of hydrogen peroxide is that it does kill bacteria in your mouth and doesn't add acid. So for those that are coffee drinkers and wine connoisseurs, you will see results pretty quickly with this routine. So simply get your measuring spoons out and put 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide in and a tablespoon of baking soda. And then you mix it. As you're mixing it, it should form a paste. And if you want to add more baking soda because it's a bit too liquidy for your taste, then add more baking soda. It doesn't hurt. But do understand that there will be liquid on top and the paste will be at the bottom. So when you lift your spoon, as such, and you drip the water, you'll see the paste. So you just take your toothbrush with the toothpaste on it, add it on top of your toothpaste, as such, and you brush your teeth, and you keep it on for a minute or 2. I suggest 2 minutes because the longer you have it on, the more results obviously you're going to see. So I leave it on for 2 minutes. So let's brush our teeth. And after you're done brushing your teeth, an extra beauty tip for you guys is do gargle it, because the extra benefit from this is that when you gargle it, it not only, because it's a bleaching agent, it kills the bacteria in your mouth, leaving your breath to be cleaner so you don't have a nasty odor in your breath later on in the day. It also smooths sore throats for those that are experiencing sore throats or singers who want to maintain their throats health. So those are 2 extra little tidbit beauty benefits from this routine. Ting! Ta-da! Whiter, brighter teeth, cleaner breath, and clean mouth. I just got done gargling it, so I feel my mouth and my throat actually being cleaner. So I'm hoping you're feeling that too. I am literally feeling like my mouth and my throat is cleaner. I really love this routine. Thank you guys for watching my video. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to follow me on any of my social media links such as Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, whatever, you can always find me at Janine Hart. But I will post the links at the bottom for you guys in the description bar, so you can just click it and find me and make your life a lot quicker and simple. But remember, always be smart about beauty. And until next time, beautiful. Mwah.